Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. In this particular video, I'm starting off by showing you a system which had a nitrogen filled expansion vessel, and I needed to get the pressure up to 5 bar, but it wasn't going to 5 bar in a hurry. I was struggling to find what the problem was, and I did get to the bottom of it in the end, but it wasn't easy. So we had the pressurization unit pumps, we have the nitrogen bottle here, which is there to inject the expansion vessel with a little top up now and then. You can see the pipes down there on the right, and then you have the 2 pumps. So everything was open and there was a lot of water gushing into the system, but the system was losing pressure. This is the vessel. They're quite expensive. This shows you the balance of water and nitrogen in the vessel. This is the side of the expansion vessel, and this is a view from further back. In the end, got it up to 5 bar. This was the cause of it. I think the name of these valves are called proving valves, and it's the first time I've come across them. Have you come across them before? So basically, they are installed in between isolation valves, and they are put there to see if they are letting by. So if you have valves that are not shutting off properly, you open up these proving valves and then you'll see water coming out. It looks like it's a PRV or going to a ton dish. So those were left open, and that is where all my water in the system was going. Then onto another job, I had a leak, and I don't know how much you've searched for leaks or what sort of equipment you use, but one of my main methods is to basically pace out. So I counted 5 strides one direction and then 5 strides into the lift, and then I found 2 AAVs leaking. I had another job where there was a leak coming from a bathroom, and it was the really basic one of there being no grouting. I don't think the silicone was the problem. So I first filled the bath to see if it was going to be a problem leaking. You can see this is quite an old waste pipe. And then I showered the area down, and that's when the water started to come through where there was a lack of grout. Then I ended up in the market again, and they had a few bits. I didn't buy anything, but I was just gauging some of the prices that they had there and so on. They do have some decent bits there, but didn't buy anything. What games do you guys play when you are at work? Do you have any that you do to pass the time? This is a particular game I've discovered recently. I don't know what it's called, but it is for identifying the train stations. So you have to put the name of the station in, and then once you put the name of the station in, you try to find them all 461 of them. At the moment, I'm 55.9% of the way there. And I started off at first putting in London's stations on my own, and then I started basically talking to people and asking where they live and what train they got. And today people start to get frustrated with you. But I've been finding out a bit about my colleagues, where they live and where they travel or where they were brought up. So that's helped me fill the gaps in. And also I've been keeping my eye open on the road when I've been driving, more now than ever, looking at the name of the areas I'm going through. Let me know if you've played this game. I think it's called london.metromemory.com. So pop that in and have a go, and let me know if you've played this yet, or if you're going to have a go. Let me know what other games that you are playing in your spare time to share with us. Okay, last but not least, how many of you have turned your heating on if you live in the UK? I'm not sure what your temperature is if you are in another part of the world. I know a lot of our subscribers are from the States and from Australia. But for you guys in the UK, what sort of temperatures are you getting in your area where you're based? And are you turning on the heating as yet? I don't feel comfortable turning my heating on until temperatures plummet to below 15 Celsius outside. But when I say plummet below 15, I mean that they drop below 15 and stay below 15, especially in the daytime. So in the nighttime, I'm not too bothered about putting the heating on. But in the daytime, I don't like the heating being on. So from the morning to the evening, unless I'm getting below 15 Celsius outside and below 18 Celsius inside. So let me know if you've put your heating on as yet. Okay, until next time. Bye.